Absolutely. In fact, this is round two, Henry, with last night in Atascosa County and nearly tennis ball size hail to our south near Pleasanton, Campbellton, and now the action's out to the west. And this is two of three rounds. We've also got Friday to talk about. Let's get outside and show you this ripe atmosphere. It's a bit of a hazy sky condition, especially downtown as well as Calaveras Lake. So that's bottom left, upper right. But then look at the clouds breaking at Morgan's Wonderland Camp. So that's some of the sunshine that did fight its way through and further destabilize the atmosphere. These are the kind of conditions where sunshine works against us, because when it heats the lower troposphere, you're more conducive for severe weather. We have the heat already at the surface. 91 today at Seguin, a lot of 90s on the map, 93s out to the west. We finished at 88 here in the city, plus the dew points are tropical, upper 60s to 70s. So this air is just so ripe and ready to go, and that's why there's a severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. The good news, it does not include San Antonio. Tonight is a big night of Niosa. Thousands will be downtown, outside. So it doesn't include San Antonio or New Braunfels or Seguin, but it does include Bernie, Kerrville, and areas out to our west. And that's where the thunderstorms are firing. This storm has not moved much. Over the last couple of hours, it really literally went from Rock Springs down to northern Uvalde County. Some more severe thunderstorm warnings. Valverde County is going to be far north of Del Rio, so Del Rio would not be impacted by that cell. But this is impressive. And last night saw this same behavior with that Atascosa County storm, where it's kind of drifting off to the south down Highway 55. I was going to track this, but when I looked at the movement, it's nearly stationary. But look at this hail core. This is huge. Thank God it's right now in a very rural area of Uvalde County, in between Camp Wood and Uvalde itself. But we're starting to see some red in here. That's going to be tennis ball to baseball-sized hailstorms. Now, future radar takes this line into San Antonio by about 8 p.m. So we're going to have to watch this very closely. And then it starts to collapse as we get into the 10 o'clock hour and quickly evaporates out by about 11 o'clock to midnight. Then tomorrow, we start out with a couple of isolated showers at 11 a.m., Battle of Flowers time. But I think we're going to be fine. A couple of isolated showers is not going to stop the parade. If there's any lightning, of course, that would. But here's what happens. By 8 o'clock, the cold front drops in. Storms get a lot more numerous by 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow night, pushing to our south, and we're done with this rain by probably 2 to 3 in the morning on Saturday. Severe weather threat, again, 2 out of 5 risk for San Antonio tonight. Back into the hill country, a 2 out of 5 risk for Friday. Into Friday night, farther south down I-37 and 281. So stay weather aware. Please make sure you've got the KENS 5 app and radar in the palm of your hand. The 14-day forecast with a weather impact alert for tomorrow, 40 to 50% coverage. Then as we get into the weekend, cooler with a north breeze on Saturday. That's going to feel good. Atmosphere should stabilize, but maybe a 20 to 30% chance of an isolated shower over Saturday, Sunday. 40% chance Cinco de Mayo. 30% chance should be the last of it on Tuesday the 6th. And then we're starting to dry out as we wrap up Fiesta, my man.